Dear students of 12th class, revision work, English language, topic narration. The rules of the direct narration change into indirect narration. Dear students, when we change any direct narration into indirect narration, there are main points which are given below. In reporting verb, in place of said, you always use said. In place of said to, you always use told. In place of say, you always use say. In place of say to, you always use tell. In place of says, you always use says. In place of says to, you always tells. In place of saying, you always use saying. In place of saying to, you always use telling. Dear students, after this, in place of comma, inverted comma, you always use conjunction that. In reported speech, if the first person of the reported speech is given, like so condition, it is changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. If second person is given, like so condition, it is always changed according to the object of the reporting verb. If object of the reporting verb is not given, like so condition, you always change the object of the third person. In tense, when we change tense, the sentence of the direct narration, if reporting verb is given, simple past, like so condition, the tense of the reported speech is changed according the rules of your notebook. And if the reporting verb is given in present or future tense, like so condition, tense is not changed. If the sentence of reported speech is given in universal truth, like so condition, the tense of the reported speech not changed. Some sentences are given as practice. And you solve like this. You said to me, comma begins, I gave you my pen. Dear students, in place of said to, you always use told. Like so condition, you told me. In place of comma, inverted comma, you always use conjunction that in simple sentence. So that, after this, I is first person. It is changed according to the subject. Subject is you. Like so condition, you is in place of I, and the sentence of the reported speech is given in simple past. Simple past change into past perfect. And you is object. Object is given. Object of the reporting verb. Second person object is given. To me in place of you. And my is change you. That is your and pen. So like so you change. You told me that you had given me your pen. Second sentence. He says to me, comma begins, you will do your work with me. Full stop, inverted comma, close. The sentence of the reporting verb is given present tense. Like so condition, the tense of the reported speech is never changed. Like so condition, you form the sentence. he tells me that I shall do my work with him. Me is the object of the I. I is the first person. According this, me change into he. In place of me, you always use him. Third sentence. You said to me, comma, inverted comma begins, the sun rises in the east. Full stop, inverted comma close. This sentence is universal truth. Like so condition, the sentence of the reported speech is never changed. Only in reporting verb, in place of said to, you use told. So you told me that the sun rises in the east. Okay, students, and you solve this exercise and ask me if you feel any type of difficulty. Thanks.